I had been working at jobs where I felt I was doing a good job, but I still didn't have the knowledge that I needed to make the change that I wanted to make. I knew that Simmons would just give me a lot more opportunities to further my career. I look at Simmons as like the Harvard of social work.
Students can tailor their education really in a lot of different ways. I think we offer a lot of courses and electives. We've got a couple of certificate programs.
We have a certificate in urban leadership. We have a certificate in healthcare. We also have a certificate in trauma, and we have a certificate that allows students to earn a licensure in school social work in the state of Massachusetts. Because of the certificates, students really get to dig deeper around one area of clinical practice.
I'm getting my master's in social work with a certificate in healthcare. My internship is 24 hours a week at Massachusetts General Hospital in the Down syndrome program. I'm really working with patients individually and with families. I feel like every skill set that I've learned so far is applicable to anywhere I end up.
My first year I was placed at the Brookline Center and the Bright program, so actually where I'm working now. And then my second year I was placed at Fenway Health Center on the primary care floors. Even though I'm not working in primary care right now, a lot of those rapport building skills, a lot of the expectations of just being a professional, I carry that with me.
The 24-hour field placement in year one, it is a big distinguishing factor, and it gives students so much more exposure to what it's like to be a social worker in the community and get that practice.
Life after Simmons, I'm ready for it. We do a lot of clinical hours in the field, and I think that is extremely helpful. As a Simmons student, I feel like I'm ahead of the game.
I've met a lot of people who graduated from Simmons School of Social Work. They are the best and they were the brightest, and I just attribute it to the fact that if you want to be the best and you want to be the brightest, Simmons was the place to be.
I would tell you to choose Simmons if you were very interested and committed to getting a strong clinical education. Academically, I found that I was challenged to think in ways in my classes that I hadn't been before.
Some of the words that I've heard in the past about me is, she's really nice, but she's really hard, but she'll get you through. And I think that I embody a lot of the faculty in terms of that. We really push you to think about all the aspects of a client, and that happens in every class, and that gets hard.
The quality of education prepared me to help facilitate a shelter of 550 men with severe mental health issues.
Choosing Simmons was the best choice that I ever made, not only because of my internship experience, my clinical experience, but also my experiences in the classroom with professors, with my field liaison, and with the other students. They really set you up for success no matter where you're going.